The road not taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood.
And sorry, I could not travel, but
You could not. And he one traveler, long he stood, and traveled as far as he could, to where it led the other road. There took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the very day.
because it was dressy and wanted were.
Those for that, the housing there, he bore them, really about the same. In both the morning, he was late. He leads the hotel had trodden back.
Oh, I kept the first for another day.
Yet knowing no way leads on the way.
I doubt if I should ever come back. I shall be telling with the sky.
Somewhere, ages hence, two roads diverge in a wood.
And I took the one less traveled by.
And that has made all the difference. The road not taken by Robert Frost.
Yay!
Parang